Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on capacity. In the last video, we introduced the idea of volume. We said that it represents the space used by a solid object. In this video, we will introduce the idea of capacity. This represents the amount that a container can hold. A container has volume because it needs an amount of space to exist. The capacity of a container depends on the size or volume of the container. To keep things simple in this video, we will talk about the capacity of containers with respect to the amount of liquid they can hold. Let's look at some common objects. Each of the following objects can hold different amounts of liquid. Can you recognize all of them? They're very straightforward. We all use a glass. This is a measuring jug when we're doing cooking. This can be used for tea or coffee, and that's a spoon which we use for all types of reasons. Objects with very large capacities. Now obviously this swimming pool holds a lot of liquid. This is a very large dam which holds hundreds of thousands of litres, so there's a lot of water there. This is a big semi-trailer with a tank which could hold all types of liquid. It could be water, it could be milk, or it could be any other type of liquid. And this is a water tank which can hold 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 litres of water, depending on the size. So those four objects there have large capacities, and obviously this dam here has the largest, okay, because you just have a look at it. It holds a lot more liquid than the other three. How is capacity measured? A simple unit which is used to measure capacity is the litre. 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres. So what does that actually mean in real life? Well, let's look at some common objects and their capacities, and that'll give you a rough idea about how much liquid this is. So a carton of milk normally has a capacity of 1 litre. So we've all seen and held a carton of milk, say from the supermarket. A bottle of milk holds about 600 millilitres. So it's just over half a litre. Most of us have kettles in our kitchen. An average kettle has a capacity of, say, 2 litres. Some have a little bit less, some have more. The capacity of a tablespoon is about 15 millilitres, so it's only a small amount, and that's normally used for different types of cooking. And the tank of a car can hold more than 60 litres of fuel, so that's quite a large capacity. So this video has introduced you to the idea of capacity, and we've looked at some various objects and their sizes and their capacities in comparison to each other.